Once upon a time, a farmer bought a big goat at the market. The farmer and the goat walked home. A wolf heard the goat. The clever wolf wanted the goat. The wolf put his left shoe on the road. He hid behind a tree. "Oh, look," said the farmer. The farmer saw the shoe. He wanted two shoes, so he kept walking. The wolf took his left shoe. The wolf was faster than the farmer. Now the wolf put his right shoe on the road. He hid behind a tree. The farmer saw the shoe. "Oh, that's the second shoe. Lucky for me, I want both shoes." The farmer left the goat and went back to bring the left shoe. The wolf laughed. He took the goat and then he took his right shoe and ran away. The farmer went back and saw no shoe. He then went back to the goat and saw nothing. In the end, the greedy farmer got nothing. He was very sad and angry. The end.